And the first one, which is Retailer of the Year, overall Retailer of the Year, sponsored by EPP. I'd like to invite up Marta Kushak and also Anya Piotrowska to give this award away. So, Marta, welcome back to the stage after a couple of years. Last year, hi, welcome, welcome. And there's no short list, so.
Good evening. So the Retailer of the Year is Kazar.
And you were leaving. Congratulations. Now, first say a few words and then we'll do some photos. Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Protocol here. Yeah.
As you can see, I'm overwhelmed because actually I've been, talking with some friends actually with regards to some new openings, and I'm very happy that I've been honored and the company have been honored with this nice award. I'm very happy to be here again, and hope to be next year here too. Right. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
I think you get a ball.